Hey everybody, what's up? I'm here in my track, 2006 Toyota Tacoma, and I have a bass knob that I want to install, and I don't want to put it down here like everybody. I want to put it right here, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. First of all, I don't have a screwdriver with me. I just did it with my hands, pry it in the back from right here in the top, and then just yank on it, and this is the cover. Alright, that's the hole right there. Okay, now I'm outside already of the truck, getting ready to prep it, and as you can see, there's a little plastic thing sticking out, and that's where, I believe, the center of the whole plastic thing where I'm gonna put the knob. So I'm gonna file it down and just get it down to the bottom where I can put the hole for the knob right there. Well, there you go. I already cut down the little plastic that was there no more. As you can see, it's not there no more. It's gone. The little knob that I disassembled, here it is. The motherboard is pretty small. The knob right here, and this is a connector from the back, and this is gonna be going something like this. It's not fully yet, but it's gonna be like this, but right in the middle right here with that. So I'll be showing you guys the rest in a minute. Okay, here I am again, and I'm gonna drill the hole in the center of the plastic. There you go. You see the hole. It's done. So now you just stick, or try to stick. Yeah, I gotta do it a little bigger. now it's in like that, and just make sure that's, try to get it as in as you can without breaking it. See, there you go. So now you could turn it, and I'll put the knob on. And there you go. That's your knob. You got your connector in the back, and I'll show you right now how to put it in the car. And just connect your cable to your amp or to your epicenter. Depends how you're gonna run it. That's how it is. Well, as you can see right here, I put some glue on the corners just for it to be stable and not to fall out, just in case of anything. Just let it sit there for a couple minutes, and put it back in the car and test it out. Alright. Hey, well, I'm here in the truck again. The glue actually worked. It's not nice and stable, and now I'm gonna put it back in the truck. So just make sure you don't damage it a lot. Just keep it stable, and pop it back in, and there it is. And then you have your connector right here, and that's about it. Just remember, I didn't do it on this, but you just connect the wire in the back, and that's it. That's about it. And there you go. Enjoy.